Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can answer or decline or reject an incoming call on the iPhone 13 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's see how the two are different and how you can answer or decline incoming calls on the two different devices. So let's take a look now. I'm going to make the call. Okay, Galaxy S22, to answer, you have to swipe. On the iPhone, to answer, you just need to tap to answer. Now, to decline the call, again, you just need to tap decline to decline the call on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, we need to slide. You can't tap, you need to slide it to decline the call. And that is the difference between the two devices. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.